Echo 3-1. Troops in contact. Kilo's vehicle is down. I say again, troops in the open, taking effective fire from multiple locations.
Copy that. Hold your position. Shadow 01 to Kilo. Do you read me? Kilo, bear up. Do you copy?
This is Kilo. We were ambushed. Dena is KIA.
It's Coney. They're everywhere, Commander.
The missiles. They're going for the missiles.
We can't let them do that, Vera.
I need weapons.
Look for containers with the Shadow insignia. They'll have what you need to fight Coney.
You were shipping more than just missiles.
Plenty more. Lucky for you. Bulletin and axe to grind. That's a lethal combo. Gear up and stop Coney from securing our missiles. Look for containers with Shadow's insignia. Commander, I have GPS trackers on my ship. Plant those on the missiles, we'll never lose visual.